Welcome back friends. Welcome back in another video tutorial for microbiology with Shagrik. So in that video tutorial we are going to discuss about free living nitrogen fixing bacteria that can be used as a biofertilizer. Okay, so we all know that all the bacteria that are using as a biofertilizer are nothing but nitrogen fixers, right? Because they are possessing NIV genes. So let's start. So in previous videos we have discussed about symbiotic nitrogen fixing bacteria such as rhizobium and our azospirillum, right? So among them the rhizobium is for leguminous plant, and in the case of azospirillum, this azospirillum is for cereal plant, right? So both are symbiotic nitrogen fixing bacteria. That means that makes association with plant, right, and also provide nitrogen for plant also, right? But in case of free living nitrogen fixing bacteria, they do not going to show any kind of association, right? Then they will fix atmospheric nitrogen in soil for plant. Examples are Azotobacter, Klebsiella. So we are going to discuss about Azotobacter in details. Okay, so let's start. So Azotobacter is a heterotrophic free living nitrogen fixing bacteria that may live in alkaline and neutral soil. Okay, so Azotobacter is the most commonly occurring species in arable soils of India. Apart from its ability to fix nitrogen, it has some other functions too. It has the ability to produce some formation of growth promoting substances such as auxin, gibberellin, okay, and in some extent vitamin. And it has some azotobacters may also have the ability to show fungicidal properties towards some fungus species, okay. And response of azotobacter has been seen in rice, in maize, in corn, in cotton, in sugarcane, in pearl millet. Okay, rice, maize, cotton, sugarcane, pearl millet, vegetable and plantation crops. So it improves seed germination and plant growth. Azotobacter is the heaviest breathing organism that we need to remember. That is why presence of a high amount of organic carbon is necessary for their growth. Okay, so that is why they grow well in alkaline and neutral soil, and especially in arable soil of our India. And they have the ability to fix the atmospheric nitrogen in soil for plant, and also they produce some important growth promoting substances such as gibberellin and auxin, and also some extent of vitamin. Okay, and there will be many strain of azotobacter, right, that can exhibit fungicidal properties against some species of fungus, isn't it? So three type of properties: fungicidal properties against some type of fungus. It will produce some growth promoting substances such as auxin, gibberellin along with some vitamin 2, and it will fix atmospheric nitrogen. Okay, and also improves seed germination and plant growth. That is the different type of functions that azotobacter play. So that is the free living nitrogen fixing bacteria. So today we have learned that free living nitrogen fixing bacteria fix mainly atmospheric nitrogen. Okay, an example of free living nitrogen fixing bacteria, Azotobacter Klebsiella. So Azotobacter is a heterotrophic free living nitrogen fixing bacteria present in alkaline and neutral soil, and it lives mainly in arable soils of India, and they require what? They require too much amount or relatively high amount of organic carbon for their growth, because they are heavily breathing organism, and they have the ability to fix atmospheric nitrogen in soils from plant. Okay, and it will also produce some growth promoting substances such as gibberellin and some extent of vitamin. Okay, many strain of azotobacter also exhibit fungicidal properties against some strain of virus, and it will show its action on rice, maize, cotton, sugarcane, pearl millets and plantation crops. So that is the concept behind azotobacter as a biofertilizer. Okay, so it will provide too much amount of nitrogen in soil that plant can obtain. Okay, so I hope this video will be helpful to you, and if it is, please hit the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos like that. Thank you for listening to this call.